Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Welcome sa ating channel hashtag Walk with Lan, where we make life simpler and more joyful one step at a time. I'm Lan, no, from hashtag Walk with Lan, your fellow Pinoy here in Quezon City and here in the Philippines. And today we are diving. Okay, huh? And today we we will be talking about decluttering, but not the overwhelming kind. You know, that feeling when your tiny apartment feels like it's closing in with stuff from years of family gatherings, pasalubong, and those impulse buys from DV Soria. Okay, inspired by this simple tip, start small, pick one easy win, a drawer, a cabinet, or nightstand. Small spaces clear fast. That's how momentum starts. We are turning that into couple of minutes journey, 15 minutes or couple of minutes journey. That's perfect for us here in the Philippines. I will share inspiring stories from real Pinoys like you, motivating tips to beat our humid weather and busy lives, and how decluttering can transform not just your home, but your mindset as well. If you are ready to feel lighter and more empowered, hit that like button and let's dive in. Let me start with a story that hits close to our home. Meet Tita Maria, a single mom from Tondo, Manila. Like many of us, her small two-bedroom apartment was bursting at the seams. Balikbayan boxes from her OFW sister piled up in the corner. Old clothes from her kids' growth spurts crammed in cabinets. And kitchen drawers overflowing with plastic utensils from takeout lechon and Jollibee deliveries. The humidity made everything sticky and moldy. You know how it is during rainy season, right? Dust from jeepney exhaust outside just added to the chaos. Tita Maria felt stuck. Parang buhay ko rin ito she told me. Cluttered and heavy. But one rainy afternoon, inspired by a quick online tip, just like the one you shared, she decided to start small. She picked her nightstand, that one spot next to her bed, cluttered with old receipts, half, half half empty lotions, and forgotten rosaries. It took her just 15 minutes. She tossed the expired stuff, organized the keepers in a recycled shoebox, and wiped it down with a vinegar solution to fight the mold. A cheap Pinoy hack. That small win sparked something. The next day, she tackled a drawer. By the end of the week, her bedroom felt like a sanctuary. Momentum built, and soon her kids joined in, turning it into a family bayanihan moment. Today, Tia Maria runs a small sari-sari store from her decluttered living room with space for her dreams. Her story reminds us, in the Philippines, where life moves fast like EDSA traffic, starting small isn't weakness. It's a smart strategy. It builds momentum, just like how one jeepney stop leads to your destination. Now, let's get practical. Why does decluttering matter here in the Philippines? Our homes are often small. Think condo units in Makati or barangay houses in Cebu. Tropical heat and humidity turn clutter into a breeding ground for dust mites, cockroaches, and even dengue risks. Plus, with our family culture, we hold onto things for sentimental reasons. Lola's old china, hand-me-down clothes, or souvenirs from Boracay trips. But here's the motivation. Decluttering frees you. It creates space for what truly matters. Family bonding, pursuing side hustles like online selling, or just relaxing after a long commute. Studies show it reduces stress by 20%. Imagine that in our high pressure Pinoy life. Tip number one, start small. Like the tip says, pick one easy win in your kitchen. That could be the utensil drawer. Okay? Sort out those bent spoons from fiesta parties. Use bayong bags or recycled tetra packs for organizers. Eco-friendly and budget-wise for us Pinoys. Tip number two, beat the humidity. Sort items into keep, donate, recycle, trash. For clothes, use silica gel packs, cheap from Shopee, in cabinets to prevent amag. Donate to ukay-ukay shops or caritas. It's our way of paying it forward. Make it fun and cultural. Play OPM hits like Ben and Ben while decluttering. Involve the family. Turn it into a game like who finds the oldest item. Reward with halo-halo afterward. Remember, bayanihan isn't just for moving houses. It's for clearing them too. Okay, let's hear another story to keep you motivated. This one's about Kuya Alex, a 28-year-old call center agent in Quezon City. His studio apartment was a mess. Gadgets from Lazada halls tangled in drawers, work uniforms piled in the nightstand, and takeout containers stacking up because of night shifts. The clutter mirrored his life, overwhelmed by bills, dreams of starting a vlog, but no space to think. One weekend, after seeing that same decluttering tip on social media, Alex thought, sige, subukan ko nga. Yeah, he started with his nightstand, cleared out old chargers, organized his wallet and keys in small bamboo tray, bought from a local artisan. It took 10 minutes, but the clarity, wow, priceless. Parang nagising ako, he said. Momentum kick in. Next, the bathroom cabinet, tossing expired meds and organizing toiletries in plastic bins from Daiso. Fast forward, Alice decluttered his whole place over a month. He sold extras on Facebook Marketplace, earning enough for a light. Now, his vlog about Pinoy life hacks has 10,000 subscribers. Sana all. His story proves in the Philippines, where we hustle hard, decluttering isn't about perfection. It's about creating room for growth. Start small and watch how momentum turns impossible into I did it. Okay, feeling inspired, Let's build on that. Once you start small, how do you keep the momentum? Okay, tip number four. Tip number four, set Pinoy style timers. Use your phone for 15 minutes sprints, perfect for our short attention spans. Amid grab deliveries and Netflix binges. Tackle one cabinet per session, like your shoe rack cluttered with chinelas from beach trips. Tip number five, adapt to our climate. For books or papers, those old school's notebooks, store in airtight containers to avoid yellowing from humidity. Digitize family photos with apps like Google Photos. Free space without losing memories. Tip number six, motivate with vision. Picture your decluttered home, more room for karaoke nights, a quiet corner for WFH, or even a mini garden with local herbs like malunggay. Join online communities like Declutter Philippines on Facebook for support. We're all in this together. Okay, tip number seven, handle sentimental items. We Pinoys love our mementos. As does this spark joy or just does? I- If not, pass it on. Like donating old toys to orphanage drives during Christmas. Remember, every small win releases dopamine. That feel good rush. It's science backed motivation. One last story. My own, I started in my Quezon City, no? Home, overwhelmed after the pandemic. That nightstand cleared it first. Now my home is my haven. Space for yoga, cooking adobo without chaos. If I can, you can. Mga kaibigan, decluttering in the Philippines is about reclaiming control in a world that feels cluttered. Start small today. Pick that drawer. Feel the momentum. You are not alone. Think of Tita Maria, Kuya Alex, and millions of Pinoys transforming their lives. What's your first small win? Comment down below. Subscribe for more tips. Share this with a friend who needs it and hit that bell. Salamat sa panonood. Let's build that momentum together. Paalam! Okay, quick reminder lang po Subscribe po at gagawa po tayo ng ebook with regards to decluttering tailored for Philippine home. See you next time at mabuhay po ang Pilipinas.